A St. Thomas farmer, Fabian Skervin, was slapped with 2 life sentences, ladies and gentlemen, for the murder of the Jamaican-Canadian couple, Melbourne and Etta Flake. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a rewarding report for me, ladies and gentlemen, because this touched me home. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all melanation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if you want to hear the truth, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be updated on Deep Roots content. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. Ladies and gentlemen, the St. Thomas farmer, Fabian Skervin, the bastard, has been slapped with 2 murder charges for the murder of the 2 Jamaican-Canadian couple, Melbourne and Etta, in a retreat. And St. Thomas, ladies and gentlemen, this case has been heard in the Supreme Court. Skervin has entered a guilty plea to the crime that has already spent 3 years and 8 months in prison, ladies and gentlemen. It's a shocking ordeal when I heard this situation. Now, Skervin has been sentenced to 2 life in prison. Both will run concurrently. Yes, sentences are to run concurrently, and he will not be eligible for parole until 32 years and 4 months later. The bastard should die in jail. Court's records show that the Melbourne Flake's 81 and 70-year-old wife Etta were found in their vacation home in St. Thomas on January 9th of 2018, where Melbourne was found with his hand and his feet bound and was observed to have sustained a head wound, while his wife was bound also and had fallen to suffocation. Following the intense investigation, Skervin and his female companion was brought in for questioning in the Seaforth area there, and you know, in the scheme in the parish, there were each subsequently charged with 2 counts of murder, robbery, and aggravation. Earlier this year, Skervin pleaded guilty to 2 counts of murder following a psychiatric evaluation which established that he was fit to plead. Ladies and gentlemen, the Flakes, who were visiting Jamaica at the time of the murder, had been carrying out work on their vacation home and had hired Skervin, amongst other workers, to help on the property. What a nasty set of people, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari soldier here reporting that I am so elated, so satisfied on this case right here, because Jamaicans need to stop kill off the foreigners them. You are guarantee that's bringing in the money to them, feeding the family and the country with the US and the Canadian and the Europe and the England and the Cayman, all kind of currency. All Chinese we are bringing in, the yang and the wang, whatever they must spell over there. So you know, say foreigners are bringing in the money like a dan. We are stretch out hand. After me hire you for help remodel me vacation home, guess what you did? Yes, he admitted that in the evening he hid in the closet and waited until nightfall, ladies and gentlemen, and that's when he waited on his chance to pounce on the 2 elderly people. I mean, this is unbelievable to listen to the plot that these people had. He was later subsequently caught on surveillance camera using the couple's credit card to purchase appliances and of other things. A wedding ring, people. This is unbelievable. The boy get married off of the dead people their money, the elderly people their money. It is arms house. It's not funny. So, ladies and gentlemen, John asleep and all the people them we are lion thief. It's an unfortunate situation that Etta and Melbourne Flakes actually met an untimely demise, but I want you to understand, me generals. Don't think that them dead gone in vain. The Jamaican Council before the Supreme Court has issued a double life sentence on the garbage they call Fabian Skervin. Yeah, for the murder of the Jamaican-Canadian couple, Melbourne and Etta. You are guaranteed the bastard were hired by the 2 elderly. And what they choose to do, me family, them choose to hide in the people them closet. You guarantee Him choose to hide in the people them closet with a two before. And wait till he get dark. And when him find him chance where him can overthrow the old people them, come on, 80 and 70 years old. Unbelievable, wicked, and low. My family, as you see I have up on the screen here to the right is some old videos of mine from the old channel that was removed. I'm going to try to slide them in. Hopefully you see some things in the video up on the side. Recall the channel. Because like I said, YouTube removed the other Rastaman panel. So if you see any of my content right now on YouTube and you thought you would subscribe, you're not, check the red subscribe button to the right, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button and let's build up the Rastaman panel again. I'm Rastafari Soldier reporting that the farmer from St. Thomas, another one, Fabian Skervin, from 2018, he was slapped. Now with 2 life sentences. And him so-called wife, him significant others, is to report in front of the court. I hope she get 3 life sentence too. Because more than likely, that Fabian Skervin did I try to kill off people for impress her. It is unfortunate that the records show that Melbourne Flake is 81 and his wife is 70. So you mean say, as Chang Jamaican, a man running in pan 2 elderly people that hired them and was giving them money because they come from Canada and are running money. But them never satisfied with the money. Them did want everything, so them try for donny. But they did not understand that the JCF, the entire Jamaican population worldwide, would have some compassion for these older people that is living and bursting with pride, that is doing what everyone in the world would want to do. Leave their country in their elderly age, return as a retiree. Bring back the money for we so we can see. But people, sometimes when you're doing the right thing, some bad mind people come with evil. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Like I said, I'm so elated with reporting that the scoundrel of a human being, the St. Thomas farmer that's called Fabian Skervin, a scalawa, a fool, a low-crawling snake, has been slapped with 2 life sentence, a 2 hanging him should not get. People, listen to me, man. Jamaican government need to cut it out. Because when you give boy 32 years for 2 people life, that are no nothing. And then you a chatbot say him available for come out of jail. In a 32 years, him can get parole. Me no inna it. Me no inna it. In a 32 days, he should be hung. You are guaranteed. Andrew Holness. Yo, listen to me. Andrew Holness, all the things they were not do. And the mobster Chinese guy down the name Chang. The gangster policeman when name Anthony Anderson. A player no a player with people life. On if you bring in hanging, bring in the firing squad, or get one cheap electrical chair from foreign. Well, when them burn, you can smell them from Jamaica to foreign. We need to change the mind of these people. Them now go change. You think say little boy with 16, 17 and 20 I go kill you off and in a 30 years he might come out and everybody is going to swear. He's a good boy. He really didn't have no mischief going on a lie like a couch, lie like a rug, on a lie like a carpet. And more lie. Listen to me. Uno can run, but in this new digital surveillance time, uno a go get catch. You mean you can be that stupid for murder people and go use their credit card? Then you don't know say credit card or digital money, you fool. Again, you think see how you roll? Fabian, I hope them hold you in a jail and bound you and found you and then pronounce you. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Deep Roots TV reporting that the farmer from St. Thomas, Fabian Skervin, the scoundrel, has been slapped with 2 life sentences for the murder of the Canadian couple, Melbourne and Etta Flake, who had retreated to St. Thomas in 2018 to repair their house and actually hired some low-mind snakes. And they actually ambushed them, bound them, lit them in their head, and suffocate them, take with their credit card, and go buy appliances, TV, and wedding ring. So listen to me. I hope somebody married him in a jail. 32 years in a your Rastafari. A solid figure. Big up yourself, Supreme Court. A death penalty we want next. And you will see, crime will go down. Profound. And more life, generals, and more joy, generals, and a more nappiness. Yeah, so me look when me younger. Yeah, a long time we deal with the YouTube thing, you know. But YouTube determined to break my thing asunder. One like say them want shy, man. Yeah, like them want fit shy, man. Listen, me gonna reuse some of the content, but me don't want them flag me for the reuse content. So me gonna clip it in, whiff it in, so people can see say Rasta been doing his work long time. Them just a fight Rastafari. Them just a fight Rastafari. And Rastafari no lie. More fire upon a hater. We are kill off the elder people them in my sweet island of Jamaica. Yeah. Them just a fight Rastafari.